Hey veterans, do you have money just sitting around earning next to nothing? Maybe it's in a savings account or a CD. It's safe, sure, but let's be honest, it's lazy money. Bank CDs are fine for some people, but veterans deserve better. There's a smarter option, a way to lock in higher guaranteed interest, avoid market risk, and even grow your money tax deferred while keeping Uncle Sam's hands off your growth. It's called a Multi-Year Guaranteed Annuity, or MYGA. You've probably seen my other videos, and you know we only work with veterans here. And at this stage of life, taking chances with your money isn't an option. But you also understand that letting it sit in a savings account means losing money every year to inflation and other economic forces. And I can tell you this, we don't take chances with your money, and neither should you. I remember talking with a veteran client a few years ago. He just rolled over a CD earning a little more than 2% and told me, "I'm not trying to make a fortune. I just don't want money going backwards." That conversation stuck with me for senior veterans. The mission isn't to gamble in the stock market. It's to protect what you've earned, help it grow safely, and stop giving Uncle Sam a cut every single year. So I started digging for a better strategy, something safe and predictable, nothing designed to make Wall Street or your broker rich, just a stable solution for veterans in retirement. That search led me to the Multi-Year Guaranteed Annuity, a MYGA. It offers zero market risk, competitive guaranteed rates, and complete tax deferral until you actually withdraw the money. These aren't exotic products. They're a common sense way to grow what we call safe money, the dollars you want working hard without risking principal. Your IRAs, TSP, or brokerage accounts can stay in higher risk markets if that suits your situation. But for your safe money, a MYGA provides guaranteed growth with no market exposure. And here's what banks won't tell you. They don't offer MYGAs, so they'll never mention this better option. Over the past few years, we've helped veteran after veteran move lazy, low-earning dollars into MYGAs. No market risk, no gimmicks, and no more watching inflation quietly erode their savings. Now let me break down exactly how a multi-year guaranteed annuity works and why it can outperform a bank CD for veterans who want safety first. First, a MYGA is offered by an insurance company, not a bank. That insurance structure is what allows the tax deferral and flexibility that bank CDs just can't match. Think of it as a time deposit contract. You pick a term, 3, 5, maybe 7 years, and the company guarantees a fixed interest rate for that entire period. If the contract says 5% for 5 years, you get 5% every single year, period. Second, the growth is tax deferred. With a CD, the bank sends you a 1099 each January, and the IRS wants its share even if you never touched the interest. With a MYGA, the interest stays inside and compounds until you decide to take it out. No yearly tax drag means your money earns interest on interest. It compounds year after year, which quietly adds up over time. Third, safety. Insurance companies are heavily regulated at the state level and required to keep massive reserves on hand. Each state has a guarantee association that protects policyholders up to specific limits. It's not FDIC, but it works similarly, and it's protection most veterans don't know is available. Fourth, flexibility. MYGAs offer penalty-free access to at least your interest earnings and often 5% to 10% of your account value each year after the first year. Compare that to CDs, where any early access costs you 6 months of interest. Fifth is rates. Today, the top-tier MYGAs often pay 1 to 2 full percentage points more than comparable bank CDs on $100,000. That extra 1 point is $1,000 more working for you each year, compounding tax deferred. Finally, simplicity. No market charts, no ticker symbols, no wondering what the Fed will do next week. You sign once, the rate is locked, and you get a clear statement every year showing exactly what you earned. No surprises, no fine print. When we place a veteran's safe money into a MYGA, we check 3 critical boxes: principal protection, predictable growth, and tax efficiency, all without risking 1 dime in the stock market. Let me show you why veterans who move from CDs to MYGAs often feel instant relief. I'll use simple, round numbers so you can follow along easily. Picture $100,000 in a 5-year bank CD earning 3%. Each January, the bank credits $3,000 of interest and mails a 1099. If you're in the 22% federal bracket, $660 goes straight to the IRS. Your net interest is only $2,340. Because that smaller amount is what compounds, the CD finishes 5 years at roughly $112,260. Now compare that to a 5-year MYGA that credits 5%. Same $100,000, but the insurance company adds $5,000 in year 1 and issues no 1099. Every penny stays inside and compounds tax deferred. After 5 years, the account is worth about $127,600, more than $15,000 ahead of the taxed annually CD with the same zero market risk. Numbers tell part of the story. Feelings tell the rest. Many CD owners dread tax season because they have to write checks on interest they never touched. When they move that money to a MYGA, no yearly 1099 arrives because it is tax deferred. I've had clients call and say, "Chris, for the first time, I feel like I'm finally keeping what I've earned." Bottom line, CDs equal lower rate, annual tax bite, and stiff early withdrawal penalties. MYGAs equal a higher guaranteed rate, full tax deferral, and flexible yearly access. That's why our veteran clients sleep better at night. Their safe money is finally working as hard as it should, quietly, predictably, and on their terms. Here's the part most people never hear. A MYGA isn't just a safe bucket with a nice rate. It comes with quiet advantages most banks can't touch. First, beneficiary protection. If you pass away during the term, the full account value goes straight to your family without probate. No court delays, no extra fees, just direct protection for the people you care about. Second, health emergency access. Many top-rated contracts let you access the entire balance early, penalty-free if you face a serious health situation like nursing home care or a terminal illness. Third, if you are already taking required minimum distributions from an IRA, a MYGA makes it simple. The carrier calculates and sends your RMD automatically. No missed deadlines, no IRS penalties. Fourth, you can ladder multiple MYGAs with different maturity dates. That way you have money coming available every few years while it all earns higher guaranteed rates. And finally, no annual fees. What you see is what you get. Your principal is protected, your rate is locked, and every dollar compounds until you decide to take it. These features are why veteran after veteran tells us they finally feel confident with their safe money because it is covered from every angle: growth, liquidity, legacy, and life's what-ifs. If you're a veteran with money parked in CDs, savings, or any account stuck in low gear, let's find out whether a MYGA belongs in your retirement plan. We're completely independent. We work for you, not the insurance companies. We shop dozens of the top carriers to find the product that fits your exact needs with the most competitive guaranteed rate available. Our guidance is completely free from the first phone call through the transferring of your funds. We never charge you a dime. During a brief call, we'll review your current deposits, show you today's best MYGA rates, and run a clear side-by-side comparison so you can see the numbers for yourself. No pressure, no jargon, just facts. You served our country, your money should serve you just as faithfully. I'm Chris Duncan, Retirement Income Certified Professional and Certified Medicare Insurance Planner. You can call us at 888-960-VETS. That's 888-960-8387, or click the button below. It comes directly to us and no one else. Thanks for watching, and remember, we speak veteran.